Hey guys, welcome back. If it's your first time, thank you for coming to visit our channel. We got something in the mail. Let's find out who it's from. Well, you guys will probably know by the title. So our friends at KEMI MOTO sent us another package. So let's see where it is. My son's gonna get a bunch of accessories for his ATV and just keep getting. Jeez. This is more packed than I thought it'd be. There we go. Oh, I believe it comes in a bag. Okay. So that's the interior of the bag. So got a waterproof bag from KEMI MOTO. Okay, this was just like a little strap in there or something. Anyways, get yourself a bag to put it away in. So, thank you, KEMI MOTO. And then we got straps here. Okay. This is like almost airspace wrapped. First time I see this. It's like it was shrunk wrapped, so everything is like pulled all together. I guess first time we open it, this is what it's going to do. Or maybe I'm just being too delicate. And let's go to a warmer environment to get to that. So yeah, so I was being scared of ripping it when I was doing it, and I realized the material is kind of tough and whatever, so it's basically just pull it out. It's going to be the first time you ever do this. It's just because, I guess, space packaging, like it. And you just basically yank on it, don't even worry about it. And it's tougher than I thought. I was being all delicate to it. So, should be good. Oh, look. Little spot. It's everywhere where you see like an overlap. There you go. And don't even worry about it. Alright, I think I got them all. Let's go see how this fits. It's got a belly strap, obviously. So it's got an arrow showing you the. I was wondering what's going to be the front or not, but they got it telling you this is the front. So. Should be pretty simple. And then obviously it's got the belly strap, so just toss that to the other side. Simple as that, I guess. Look, if you want to store something keep it out of the dust. I still got a couple of pieces. I didn't quite pull it completely apart. Yeah, simple enough. So, anyway, guys, want to take a full look around. It's basically just a tarp to protect your investment, and that's about it. So, thanks for watching, guys. I know this is a simple one. It's the KEMI MOTO. I'll put the link in the description below if it interests anybody. It's really easy, inexpensive, and it'll protect everything from the sunlight, and it's rainproof and everything, and from the elements if you're traveling or whatever. And there's a couple other straps. I believe it's to go around the wheel wells to tie everything down more secure. So anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you haven't. And I know this is not a X3 video, but it's stuff from KEMI MOTO. So have a great weekend, and guys, be safe out in the trails. Bye for now. Hey, if you guys are still watching this, you stuck to the end. So these are the straps that I was talking about for the extra strapping for the wheels to secure it down. And throw that in the bag. And we just want to see if putting this back in this bag would just be an easy fit to store it away when you're not using it. And there you go. So yeah, easy to store away after. Extra light, doesn't weigh anything. Well. So thanks again for watching to the end. And thank you, KEMI MOTO, for another collab. So catch you on the next one. And it will be a X3 on the next one. So bye for now.